Looking to thrive amidst the ever-changing economic landscape? Rich Dad's new survival plan in 2023 offers a roadmap to financial success and security in uncertain times. Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with the latest insights and strategies to help you achieve financial success. Today, we'll be discussing Rich Dad's new survival plan in 2023, a game-changing roadmap for navigating the unpredictable economic landscape. The world is changing at a rapid pace, and it's crucial to stay informed and prepared for the uncertainties that lie ahead. In this video, we'll be exploring the key principles and strategies laid out by Rich Dad to help you navigate the ever-changing landscape of the economy, finances, and investments. So, without further ado, let's dive in and explore Rich Dad's new survival plan in 2023. Number 1. Understanding the current economic landscape. The first step in Rich Dad's new survival plan in 2023 is to understand the current economic landscape. The world has been rocked by numerous challenges, including the COVID-19 pandemic, geopolitical tensions, and global economic uncertainties. As a result, traditional investment strategies may no longer be effective, and it's essential to explore alternative investment options that can help you preserve and grow your wealth. One key factor to consider when examining the current economic landscape is the impact of inflation. With governments around the world pumping trillions of dollars into their economies, there is a risk that inflation could skyrocket in the coming years. This could have a significant impact on traditional investments such as stocks and bonds, which may not be able to keep pace with rising prices. Another factor to consider is the rise of new technologies such as blockchain and cryptocurrencies. These emerging technologies have the potential to disrupt traditional industries and create new opportunities for investment. However, they also come with their own risk and uncertainties, and it's essential to do your research before investing in these areas. Ultimately, understanding the current economic landscape is crucial for developing an effective investment strategy. By staying informed and up to date on the latest trends and developments, you can position yourself to take advantage of new opportunities and mitigate risk in the face of uncertainty. Number 2. Embracing new investment strategies. Rich Dad's new survival plan in 2023 emphasizes the importance of embracing new investment strategies that can help you succeed in the current economic climate. Traditional investment options such as stocks and bonds may no longer be effective in the face of global economic uncertainties and emerging technologies. Instead, Rich Dad recommends exploring alternative investment options such as real estate, precious metals, and cryptocurrencies. Real estate is a popular alternative investment option that has the potential to generate consistent cash flow and provide a hedge against inflation. Precious metals such as gold and silver are also commonly used as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. These assets have historically held their value in times of economic uncertainty, making them an attractive option for investors looking to preserve their wealth. Finally, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are emerging investment options that have gained significant attention in recent years. While they come with their own risk and uncertainties, these assets offer the potential for significant returns and the ability to diversify your investment portfolio. Ultimately, by embracing new investment strategies and exploring alternative asset classes, you can position yourself to succeed in the current economic climate and take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. Number 3. Focusing on cash flow. Another critical aspect of Rich Dad's new survival plan in 2023 is focusing on cash flow. Cash flow refers to the amount of money that comes in and goes out of your investment portfolio. By prioritizing investments that generate consistent cash flow, you can create a steady stream of income that can support your lifestyle and help you achieve your financial goals. One key strategy for generating cash flow is investing in rental properties. By purchasing a property and renting it out, you can generate regular rental income that can provide a reliable source of cash flow. Another option is to invest in dividend-paying stocks, which offer regular payments to shareholders. Starting a business is another way to generate cash flow and build wealth. By starting a business, you can create a new source of income that can grow over time and provide a reliable stream of cash flow. Additionally, by focusing on creating a business that generates consistent cash flow, you can position yourself to weather any economic challenge that may arise. Overall, by prioritizing investments that generate consistent cash flow, you can create a reliable source of income that can support your financial goals and help you navigate the uncertainties of the current economic climate. Number 4. Building a strong financial foundation. To succeed in the current economic landscape, it's essential to build a strong financial foundation to achieve long-term success. This involves taking a holistic approach to managing your finances, including focusing on reducing debt, building savings, and investing wisely. One key strategy for building a strong financial foundation is to focus on reducing high-interest debt, such as credit card debt and personal loans. By paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible, you can reduce the amount of money you're paying in interest and free up cash flow for other financial goals. Another important step is to build up an emergency fund. This is a savings account that can be used to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs. By building up an emergency fund, you can protect yourself from financial shocks and avoid going into debt to cover unexpected expenses. Investing wisely is also a critical part of building a strong financial foundation. This includes diversifying your portfolio, focusing on long-term investments, and taking a measured approach to risk. By investing in a mix of assets, including stocks, bonds, and alternative investments, you can reduce risk and maximize returns over the long term. Overall, building a strong financial foundation is critical for achieving long-term financial success. By focusing on reducing debt, building savings, and investing wisely, you can create a stable and secure financial future for yourself and your family. Number 5. Staying informed and adaptable. Finally, Rich Dad's new survival plan in 2023 emphasizes the importance of staying informed and adaptable in the face of changing economic conditions. The world is constantly evolving, and it's essential to stay up to date on the latest trends and developments to make informed investment decisions. One key strategy for staying informed is to read widely and diversify your sources of information. This includes reading financial news, following industry experts on social media, and attending investment conferences and events. By staying informed and up to date, you can position yourself to take advantage of new opportunities and mitigate risk in the face of uncertainty. Another critical aspect of staying adaptable is being willing to pivot your investment strategy when necessary. This may involve shifting your focus to new investment opportunities or adjusting your portfolio to reflect changing market conditions. By being flexible and adaptable, you can stay ahead of the curve and position yourself for success in any economic environment. Finally, it's essential to maintain a long-term perspective and avoid getting caught up in short-term market fluctuations. By focusing on your financial goals and maintaining a disciplined approach to investing, you can avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements and instead stay focused on the big picture. Overall, staying informed and adaptable is critical for achieving long-term investment success. By staying up to date on the latest trends and developments, being willing to pivot when necessary, and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can position yourself for success in any economic climate. That's it for today's video on Rich Dad's new survival plan in 2023. Rich Dad's new survival plan in 2023 provides a comprehensive guide for navigating the current economic landscape. Remember, by taking a disciplined approach to managing your finances and staying up to date on the latest trends and developments, you can position yourself to succeed in any economic environment. So start implementing the strategies outlined in Rich Dad's new survival plan in 2023 today and take control of your financial future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.